I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we have left for the semester. We are now in Module 13. That module closes on the 23rd. You can see there, and we are looking at the flipped classroom planning again. Just be aware that we are still not creating the videos. We are merely planning at this point. Then the following week after that, we will be in Module 14. We're going to look at another learning application, which is Quizlet. Many of you are very familiar with that already. Module 15, there will be a discussion board where we're evaluating all the applications that we've used throughout the semester. And then there we are at the final. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about the planning unit for the flipped classroom we're working on this week. So here we are in Module 13, and we're looking at that planning document. It's the same document that we used before, but we're just continuing to add to it, and we're developing our plan a little further. Again, not making the videos yet, we're just planning. So again, that first video is where you're introducing the Missouri Learning Standard and the objective. You're telling them why they should be excited about this lesson, and this is a great place for that book trailer that you created. Also can be used as the anticipatory set. And then in the second video is where you're truly teaching the lesson, okay? So the first one's the introduction to it all and why you're doing it and why they should be excited. The second video is the actual instruction of the lesson, where you're teaching the lesson. But let me be very specific. You are not just lecturing. That is not good teaching. You should be modeling the lesson. You should be showing them the expectations that you have. If you're teaching math, you should be working out the math problems for them and walking them through that process. If you're teaching diagramming a sentence, you should be demonstrating that. Good teaching is never lecture and lecture only. And so in the video 3 is where you're going to be introducing the assessment plan. And you are, again, going to model that assessment. You're going to show them where that assessment is. Maybe it's in your Google Classroom. Maybe it's a Google form. You're showing them how to complete that. Okay? So that's what we're doing this week. We're continuing that plan. You should have a script written by now. You should know what you're going to say, how you're going to teach it, and how you're going to assess it. So now we're in Module 16, and we're looking at that submission point for those finals. This module is open. However, the assignment tabs for those 3 videos are not quite open. They will not open until after 5 p.m. on May the 12th, which is the close of the regular semester. We want to make sure that we use this checklist when we're working on our videos. It gives a full breakdown of the expectations. You see that you have to be visible in at least 2 of the 3 videos, and you must be audible in all 3 videos. In addition, we're going to demonstrate at least 5 of the applications that we have learned throughout the semester. So let's talk about what those are. And this list is not all inclusive, but we've created a Google Classroom, you've created a Google Form, you've created a Symbolo, you will have created a Quizlet by this time. Many of you have used Animoto, Powtoon, iMovie. You've created a book trailer. You have a screencast. So, you have a multitude of applications to choose from. So in these 3 videos, you should be demonstrating it at least a minimum of 5 of these with your students. Again, follow this checklist to the T. This is what we're looking for as far as the videos. We just have these 4 weeks remaining. I do encourage you to already begin to think about how you're going to put those videos together. You do not want to wait until the weekend before these are due. Video recording can be complicated. You will find yourself re-recording many times, and you also do not want to put yourself in jeopardy of not getting them finished and getting them uploaded on time. So if you have any questions about the remainder of the semester, what we're doing this week or the following 3 weeks, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'm excited to see your creations.